Hey guys, today we're going to break down the X running man, or what's known sometimes as the Malaysian running man. The Malaysian running man has sort of a swing to it like this, or a sway in the hips. We're going to slow it down even more here so you can see it better in detail. So you come up in a normal running man and use a green line or a piece of tape in front of you or a water bottle to help you sway on the other side of that object or that line. Here it is from the side. So you're going to cross 1 foot over as you're coming back, and you're swaying yourself to the left and to the right. I'm going to do a backwards angle so you can mirror and see exactly what my feet are doing. So come up, foot goes back, and it's crossing over the left. Right foot comes up, crossing over the left, and you're coming back. So this is a way to sauce up your running man instead of just having a normal square looking running man. And you can also travel left and right with this as well. Okay. Let me know if you guys like this. Practice it. Takes a little while to get down, but once you do, it really adds some flair to your running man and your flow. Good luck and let me know.